Well, I have a new project out in my garage. This is a Gibson L48 that has seen better days. But I do believe, looking at it, because the body is not cracked, that it could sing again. There's a number of issues. This, first of all, when I looked inside, has a serial number that dates it at 1952. And you can see the original tuners are on there. And so those little buttons, the butterbean buttons, will have to be replaced. But all the hardware is there. There's some wear on the fingerboard, but really not bad. It's mostly just dirt. And the frets actually still have some life to them, so that surprises me. The paint on it looks really bad, but I'm not touching that. It kind of gives it character. Came with an original pickguard. As you can see, it's tortoiseshell. And this is a replacement bridge. And that's the original tail piece. There's one of the braces that goes on the top is floating inside. So it's very difficult to know how in the world to get that back on. You can't do it through I can't even get it out. It's the longest one. I think it probably goes right about here. And there's a hole on the side here. That's easily to patch. But the good news is, let me see if I can do this. Hold on a second. Looking at the back, there's a crack here. Needs to be fixed. See if we can get that. There it goes. So you see the crack. And then there's the original tuners. But it looks like the back just wants to fall off. It's been dried out so bad that I can actually, see that? So with a little work, I would take this off without harming the binding that's on it. That looks like it just wants to just pop right off. It just needs a little careful attention. And I think I could pull it right off and fix the brace inside, shore up that crack that's there. I'm not sure if that's ready for that neck. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with it. It might need to come off and be reset. So, there you have it. 1952 Gibson L48. One of the things I notice is it does have a solid mahogany top. But the back looks to be laminated. The sides look to be solid. So there you have it.